Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to another segment of Ask an Attorney with Mike Kuna here from Kuna Law Firm PLLC. Good morning, Mike.
Good morning, Jillian.
Thanks for joining us. So this week's legal question or advice is, Dear Mr. Kuna, I always watch your show along with a friend of mine who is now in jail, which is why I'm writing to you. Since I'm graduating high school this year and looking for a direction in life, I'm really interested to know about what you did in your professional career that helped you reach where you are today. Thank you. So I know that a lot of people think that you grew up with a golden spoon in your mouth, but I actually know that you grew up in a trailer park, so tell us about that.
Yes, that is actually very true. But from a very young age, my dad sent me to study mixed martial arts. And I believe athleticism and sports are very important to the development of a person. That gave me discipline, that gave me confidence, and it put in aspirations in me to succeed and be the best. I was enlisted to the Army when I was 18 years old, and I got promoted multiple times until I became a base commander assistant. I was in the military police and the criminal investigations command. Following my military service, I actually went to law school. What people don't know about me is that I'm from Israel, and in Israel, law school is an undergrad degree. While in law school, people that come from where I come from don't get a lot of opportunities. So I was doing as much as possible to get those opportunities with clinics and internships. And I did succeed, and I ended up having a position in a very nice boutique law firm, first as an intern, then as a lawyer, and then as a junior partner, where I practiced personal injury law and real estate. Afterwards, I started my law degree in Arizona, Tucson, Arizona to be precise, in the University of Arizona. And I landed up an amazing internship with Judge Hockley. Judge Hockley introduced me to a supervising prosecutor named Dale Cardy. And Dale Cardy actually became one of my closest friends and a mentor for life. Dale gave me an internship with the Pima County Attorney's Office, where I prosecuted cases as a student. Following my studies, I got a job in Fargo, North Dakota. Yes, I know it's a long flight from Arizona to North Dakota, and definitely a very different weather scheme. By the time I reached North Dakota, I started working in a debt collection law firm, and to be quite honest, I did not like the job. However, I immensely loved the area, the region, and everything it had to offer, the growing business opportunities and the nature. Afterwards, I became a prosecutor in Clay County in Moorhead, Minnesota, where I prosecuted mostly misdemeanor cases. And following that, I became a prosecutor in Williams County in Williston, North Dakota. That job was significantly more challenging and much more rewarding. I loved that job. I prosecuted high-level felonies. I worked 88 hours a week, and I got more experience than a person can get in a lifetime. However, I always had the ambition and the dream to open up my own business. And 2.5 years ago, I opened up Kuna Law Firm. When I opened up Kuna Law Firm, it was in the middle of the shutdown, and everybody, to be honest, called me a moron. However, I managed to prove them wrong, and I've succeeded pretty well. I want to emphasize a few things for young people, especially the young people who are watching this. First, don't do drugs. You won't get anywhere if you do drugs, even weed. There's something about weed that makes you feel better even though you shouldn't. You need to have achievements in life, accomplishments. You can't get them by doing drugs, smoking weed, and playing video games. Do something with your life. Have ambitions, have a dream. Work very, very hard towards that dream. And don't be afraid to take risks. I've taken risks all my life. Sometimes I failed, but most times I've succeeded because from my failures, I've learned. And when you learn, you can reach somewhere. Be confident, be stern, and don't listen to anybody who tells you you cannot succeed in life. On the opposite, surround yourself with people who support you, who endorse you, and believe in you, and want to achieve something in life as well.
Yeah, absolutely. And just learning about your past in the past 5 minutes here, it's an impressive feat that you have gone through all these learning curves and you are where you are today.
Thank you.
Yeah, absolutely. And it's such a great opportunity for people to ask advice when they want to become more like you. So if you have a legal question or advice you'd like to ask Mike, you can go to our website at valleynewslive.com and click on the Ask an Attorney tab.